Okay, now this one's a bit challenging. Okay, now Dave walked towards the library at a speed of 35 meters per minute. At the same time, his brother Eric returned from the library at a walking speed of 45 meters per minute. If they met 140 meters from their house, how far was the library? Okay, from their house. Okay, so let us analyze the problem. They walked towards the library at a speed of 35 meters per minute. Now, at the same time, his brother Eric returned from the library at a walking speed of 45 minutes meters per minute. Okay, so in that case, let us draw the model. So let's say this one is the model. Okay, so this one is their house. Okay, and this one is the library. Okay, and then what happened is that Dave walked, okay, in the direction going to the library. So here is Dave. Okay, he's walking in this direction in a speed of 35 meters per minute. Okay, while his brother Eric, okay, is going back to their house from the library. So the direction is going there, and okay, this is Eric, and the speed is 45 meters per minute. Okay, now, so it says there that if they met, okay, so let's continue analyzing. If they met at 140 meters from the house, okay, so let's say they met here, okay, which is 140 meters, okay, from the house, okay, from the house. Okay, so here going there, okay, going to that direction. Okay, now, so how far was the library from their house? So we're looking for this one, library from their house, the distance from here going there. Okay, so how much is that? Okay, now, so first thing that we have to do is okay, so let us simplify the time. Okay, so 1 minute is, okay, 35, 1 meter, sorry, 1 minute rather is 35 meters. Okay, so that is the speed for Dave. Now let's find out how many minutes Dave spent, okay, to travel in 140 minutes, 140 meters rather. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to 100 and divide 140, okay, minutes must be divided by, okay, divided by 35. So how many 35? Okay, so 140 minutes, 140 meters divided by 35, okay, is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, so wait a minute. I need to wait. No, sorry. Okay, this one is this one is 35. Okay, 35 meters per minute. Okay, so let us again cancel. We can cancel this one and this one. So what left is the unit is minutes. So this one is 140 divided by 35 is 4 minutes. So meaning to say that they spent 4 minutes from the house, okay, going to, okay, to the place where they met in 140 meters. Okay, and then what we are going to do with that is, okay, now, so they and met, okay, so they met Eric after walking for 4 minutes. Okay, so they met Eric after walking, okay, for 4 minutes. Okay, then Eric also, okay, so Eric walked 4 minutes too. Okay, now, so if Eric also walked 4 minutes, so if he took, okay, so 35 for Eric, 45 meters per minute times 4, okay, that is equal to 4 minutes rather, it is equal to 45 times 4 is 180. Now look at the unit, we can also cancel minute here, so the distance that Eric traveled is 180 meters. Okay, now then what are we going to do now? So from 140, okay, meters plus 180 that Eric traveled, and that's the distance of the library, the library and the house. Okay, from the house to the library. Okay, so we have now 140 meters plus 180 meters is equal to 320 meters. Okay, now, so our answer here, okay, so how far, okay, let's go now here, continue, how far, okay, was the library from their house? Okay, so the library is 320 meters, okay, from their house. From their house. Full stop. Okay, so we got our answer there now. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's now proceed to the fourth problem. Now, so for the fourth problem, okay, okay, a train is 150 meters long. If it travels at 15 meters per second 15 meters per second, how long does it take for the train to pass through a tunnel in 300 meters long? Okay, let us analyze the problem. A train is 150 meters long. Okay, so, and then it says if it travels um, if it travels 15 meters per second, how long does it take for the train to pass through the tunnel in 300 meters uh, long? Okay, so first of all, we're going to draw the model. Okay, so let's say this is the train. Okay, now, and then this one is the starting point. Okay, so this one is the tunnel. Okay, so this one is the tunnel. Okay, and then we have here, and then it says that the tunnel is 300 meters long. Okay, and then this one is the starting point. Okay, okay, so going to that direction. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so it will be here. The train will pass here later. Sorry, the train is so big. Sorry. Okay, so here. Okay, now, and then the train is how much? Um, this one is 150 meters long. 150 meters. Okay, now, then, okay, we have now, everything is there. So, what we're going to do is, now, so 300 meters, the tunnel, and the train plus the train is 100. So this one is the end of the tunnel. This one is the end of the tunnel. Okay, now, so first of all, we have to add the distance or the distance of the tunnel, okay, and the train. Okay, how long the tunnel and how long the train. So let's put together 300 meters plus 150 meters is equal to 150, oh sorry, 450 meters. Okay, now remember to find, okay, the question is how long does it take for the train to pass through the tunnel, a tunnel which is 300 meters long. So to find the time is we have distance divided by speed. Okay, now, so that means that the distance is 450 meters divided by the speed, which is the speed is 15 meters per second. Okay, so let's 450 divided by 15 is 30. Now let's cancel the minute here, no, meter. Okay, so 30 second is the answer. Okay, so therefore, okay, so how long does it take? Okay, so our answer, how long does it take for the train? So it is the train Okay, how does takes 30 second. Okay, okay, to pass through, okay, a tunnel in 300 meters long. Okay, thank you.